Okay, yesterday with Senora Peña, you read a book where you um, change your voice to do the character's voice. So for today, we're gonna still do that, but also we're gonna have to read the words, and as we read, we're gonna point with our finger just to make sure that all the words we're saying from the book or reading at the same times that we pointed. For example, if I said Clifford, that's one word, I pointed one time. If I said Clifford's animal sounds, I point 3 times because it's Clifford animals sounds. Okay? And this book has more than 3 words because it's in Spanish and English, but I'm just gonna do the English part, okay? So I'll try to change my voice, and I also am gonna try to, I should be doing like pointer with my finger as I read. This book title is Clifford. Clifford Animal Sounds. Clifford is on the farm today. Try to do this. He listens to what the animal said. Okay. Look at my finger, how many words I'm saying and how many times I'm pointing to the words. The cow says moo. The owl says woo. The bird says tweet. The mouse says squeak. The dog says quack. The hen says cluck, cluck. Okay. The chicks says chip. The chip says ba. Okay, now I'm gonna stop for a little and I'm gonna ask Emilio, can you count how many times I point to my words? And to make sure that's the many words that I'm saying. Ready? And you can unmute your microphone and tell me like how many times I point, and then we make sure that's the same amount of words in the line. The cat says meow. How many times do I point to the words?
4.
4. Do I have 4 words? Let's make sure. The 1, cat 2, says
3.
3, meow
4.
4. There you go. That's what we're learning today. To use our finger to count as many words that we said as we reading. That's the many times we point. Thank you, Emilio. Okay. It's Clifford's turn now. And I'm gonna ask Tomas. Look at this sentence. Okay. Because I'm gonna point and you're gonna tell me like how many times I point to the word. What does Clifford said? Tomas, how many times do I point to my words? How many words do I have for this sentence?
5.
You think it's 5? Okay, let's count them. What? That's 1. Those? That's 2. Clifford? 3. Said. How many, Tomas? Should we count them again? We always can go back and reread. What those Clifford said. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many, Thomas?
4.
4, yeah. We're gonna start reading, following the reading with our fingers. Okay, what does Clifford said? Clifford said, bow, wow. And the end. Okay, now, and it's a short story. And now I want you to find a book, a small book with just a sentence, like the books we send home, if you have any. And start reading. Start reading because I'm gonna ask you to show me as you're reading with your fingers, and I'm gonna be looking at you just to make sure when you're reading, you're pointing with your fingers to each of the words. If you have this, any of these books that we send home, go find them and get them. Or you have any other small books like this that has just one sentence in it, the small books, go find them. And I'm gonna be checking with you in a little bit, okay? We're gonna be reading together.
The bunny.
How many words in the book, on that sentence?
The 2.
There you go, the bunny, two words, there you go. Thank you, Christian.
So this says 5 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away.
There you go, Emilio.